3-4 Alpha Tango 185, I do believe you said it was.
Yes, okay, 3-4 Alpha Tango 185 from Canary Island. My island is Tenerife Island in the northwest coast, Africa. My operator name is Victor, okay?
Roger, Victor. Name on this end is Steve, Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo. I'm 30 miles east of the west coast of South Carolina, just outside of Charleston, like the dance to Charleston, QSL.
Yes, QSL, 100% from the south of Carolina. Very good signal, very strong. Your signal report in Canary Island, 5 by 9 is very, very good propagation for USA, my friend. And excuse me, but I cannot speak English very well, sorry, but I understand a little. Okay, in this moment my antenna is a vertical antenna, Sirio 827. My transceiver is a Tango Sierra 850, okay?
Roger, QSL. Your English is 100% spot on, my friend. You have no issues with English at all. My working conditions is an Anytone Alpha Tango Quad 5 Plus. I am using a antique Texas Star MC250, getting about 150 whiskeys out of that. A Delta M2 microphone, and a homebrew 5/8 wave vertical ground plane antenna sitting at about 7 meters. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, congratulations for your working condition. The Anytone is a very good radio. I have got Anytone in my car, in my mobile station. It's a very good radio, my friend. Congratulations. And my microphone is a Kenwood My Charlie 60 in this moment. Okay, very happy for a little QSO with your station, Steve, okay? And please, what is my signal report? What is my signal report in your QTH?
Your signal report is 5758, for the most part 57, but it has crested 58, nearly 59 at some points. But the audio is crystal clear. I have no issues hearing you whatsoever. I did get a little radar right there on the end of that last transmission, but other than that, no QRM, no QSB. QSL?
Okay, QSL, thank you for the information of my signal report. And yes, hearing not QRM, a very good signal. Your audio is very clear, okay? It's a clear. Okay, my friend, thank you for your cordiality and happy New Year for you and your family, my friend, Mr. Steve. Thank you for the nice QSO with your station. 34 Alpha Tango 185 from north of Tenerife Island, from Canary Island, northwest coast Africa. Okay, and thank you very much, okay?
Roger, Victor. Well, the pleasure was all mine. Definitely appreciate you accepting my call or returning my call. I do have a YouTube channel, and I am recording this. Are you on Cluster DX by chance?
Yes, okay, 100%. And I have got 11dx.nex and Cluster DX, no problem. 100%. And please confirm again your keyword set, please.
That is a 2 Uniform Delta X-ray number 4, number 8, number 3. Uniform Delta X-ray number 4, number 8, number 3. QSL?
Yes, okay, no problem. 100%, my friend. Uniform Delta X-ray 483, is correct?
100%, my friend, and I'll log you in Cluster, and when I get this uploaded to my YouTube channel, I'll send you the link to the video. QSL?
QSL, no problem. 100%, very good, beautiful, okay? Thank you very much, my friend, and I hope to meet you again in the frequency 34 Alpha Tango 185 Delta 5 to Uniform Delta X-ray 483 from South of Caroline, okay?
Roger, Victor. Definitely enjoyed it as well, and looking forward to the next time. 34 Alpha Tango 185. Definitely enjoyed it, my friend. We'll say 73s, 51s, and ciao, ciao, my friend.